everyone, and welcome to the weekly TraderMan video for the trading week ending Friday, February the 11th. Let's get right into it. First off, many of you have written me asking for an overview of the 30-minute trader strategy. So here it is. Ulysses and I have been trading for a total of 25 plus years between the two of us. We met about 6 years ago at a seminar for day traders in Atlanta, Georgia. We became fast friends and began trading together in 2005 when we formed Tristan James and Associates Incorporated. We developed the 30-minute trader strategy when we understood that so many did not trade merely because they did not understand the complexities of trading, especially trading online. So the 30-minute trader does not require that you know a lot to trade, only a few common sense tactics that a complete novice can use to become a successful day trader. Why just 30 minutes? Well, the easy answer to that is, the very first and most important rule in trading is, protect your equity. That means, protect the money that you invest with, as best as humanly possible, in 30 minutes, to us provided a reasonable buffer to that end. We tested an hour, 90 minutes, 45 minutes, all sorts of time limits throughout our investing careers and are happy with the returns on a 30-minute limit. Now what we do is not by any means new. Just like any trading strategy, it has its faults and is by no means always right. We lose money just like every other trader, but we do all we can to reduce our losses when it does occur. And you will see that through TraderMan when that does happen, and it will. For now, let me explain the differences in the two accounts that we set up. Account B for beginners and Account M for margin. In order to successfully illustrate what it would be like to trade using the minimal investment of only $500, we set up Account B. Of course, Account B makes very little money because it has very little equity to buy shares with. The more shares you can buy, the more money you make when you sell them. On the other hand, Account M is a margined account. When you maintain $2,000 or more in a margin account, you are allowed to double your buying power. That means $2,000 becomes $4,000 worth of buying power. Now with that power is some danger, for if you lose $4,000 and only have $2,000 in your account, you get what is known as a margin call and you owe your brokerage house that $2,000 immediately. Yet if you trade using the 30-minute trader strategy, you reduce the likelihood of that happening to you dramatically, because the very first rule of the 30-minute trader is to protect your equity. Let me get back to Account B. Another reason we set up that account is because we did not know how long it would take that account to reach $2,000 in equity, and then be eligible to be a margin account. So far we are at $651.80, and predict it will be late March when we reach that goal. No matter how you look at it, $1,500 in 2 months is not bad for what amounts to 3 days of 30-minute trades a week. Let Ulysses take over with last week's trades and totals.
Thanks, Tristan. We did indeed have a very good week last week. We started the week off on Monday buying QCOR for $14.35. After the stock moved 40 cents, we sold at $14.75. Account B bought 40 shares and made $16. Account M bought 380 shares and made $152. On Tuesday, February 8th, we had a no-trade day. It was a no-trade day because there were no stocks within our parameters that were worthy to trade, so we passed by the day as a no-trade day. The same situation occurred on Wednesday, February the 9th, so we tallied forth to Thursday's trade. On Thursday the 10th, we traded TQNT. There was a typo of this stock on Twitter and Facebook that we did not catch in time, and we apologize for any inconvenience that might have caused. We bought the stock at $12.28 at the open and sold it 4 minutes later for $12.68. Account B bought 49 shares and profited by $19.60. Account M bought 470 shares and profited $188. And last, on Friday the 11th, we purchased stock TKLC for $8.35 at the open and sold it for $8.75 at 8:56 Central Standard Time. Account B acquired 72 shares and made $28.80. Account M acquired 735 shares and made $294. For the week, account B made $64.40. Adding to last week's total, we're now up to $651.80 in account B. Account M made $634. Adding to last week's total, we're now up to $3,379.40. Not bad for 2 weeks' work. But the most exciting news is that we're only $621 away from replacing our original investment of $2,000. We are making some exciting money here on TraderMan's fan page. So come be a fan and watch for yourself. Now back to you, Tristan.
Ulysses, thanks for the update. The 30-minute trader strategy can work for you just as well as it works for us. But before we talk any more about that, let's see what else it will do in the remainder of this month. And this is a short month on top of that. Thank you for viewing this video and please become a fan of TraderMan on Facebook. Also continue to feel free to send us your comments and questions there as well. For Tristan James and Associates Incorporated and U4Man Online and Ulysses Foreman, I'm Dr. Tristan James. See you in the next video.